If you've lost access to your Google account and cannot receive verification codes, you can still attempt to recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Go to the Google Account Recovery page. Visit the Google Account Recovery page by entering the URL in your web browser. This is the starting point for recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Click Next to proceed to the next step in the recovery process. Step 3. Choose Try Another Way. If prompted for a verification code and you cannot access your usual methods, look for the option that says Try Another Way. This will provide alternative recovery options. Step 4. Answer security questions. If you have set up security questions, you may be prompted to answer them. Provide the correct answers to verify your identity and gain access to your account. Step 5. Follow additional instructions. After successfully answering security questions or choosing other recovery options, follow any further instructions provided by Google. This may involve confirming your identity through other means, such as a backup email or recovery phone number. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Google account. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.